We're going to do this again, people. We're in the nursery again. We're going to check the hive. What did it do? It had 2 queens in it, I think. This is the one that had the 2 queens in it. Had an unmarked queen, eggs, and brood. Okay. Maybe I was mistaken. Which I am once in a while, most of the time, sometimes. This one we didn't give water to or food. Okay. Pick this one up. And it has stores. It has pollen, it has nectar, it has larvae in the middle. I don't see a queen or a queen cell. This one here has the same thing. But as for them, they have nectar, brood right here, or larvae. We're going to stick it over here. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Let's see it. It has a couple of queen cups. I don't know if it had cells or not before. But it has larvae. And nectar. And pollen. Check to see if we got any eggs in here. Y'all hold on a second. The sun is not at the right angle. We have very young larvae. Yeah, we have eggs. We have eggs in there. There's eggs up here. We have eggs up here. We have pollen and brood down here and nectar. On this side, we have pretty much the same thing. Queen might have been on that first one I took out. But they need a bigger box too. So we'll be giving them one today if they have a queen. This one has brood and nectar and pollen and larvae. Maybe not give them a box. Brood, larvae. I don't see a queen. Maybe we left the unmarked queen in here. Has eggs. It has larvae, brood, and all that good bee stuff up there. Same thing on the other side. This one, there's brood and larvae, young larvae, eggs. There's queen. She's the unmarked queen. Right there. And we're going to go ahead and take her and mark her while we know where she's at. Hold on. Okay, I'm using my one-handed bee catcher with this one, or one of them. I have a lot of them because when you catch a bee in it, you gotta wash it down and keep the scent of the bee off that you put in there to mark. But she looks like she's doing a pretty good job. So she may, here she is. Took my eye off of her for a second. There she is. These little things here, when I was buying them, they were about $4.50, and now they're 18 to 20, I think. Last I saw. Okay. We're going to push her up now, because she's in there. Be helpful to get rid of some of those bees in there. Get her to turn around properly. There she is. Okay, she marked. So we're going to put her back in. We know she's marked now, so it may not be a damage to her to or hurt her or the other bees or the frames or the box or anything else. And she's got eggs laid up in that, and nectar and pollen, nectar, pollen, brood, and brood in the center here. Like I say, they do one side one way, and they'll do the other side usually, unless something interferes with them, to build both sides the same thing. They can't do that with plastic, because ones on the right hand don't know what ones on the left hand are doing. So we'll get them another box here in a little bit. We got a box right here beside it. Okay. She should be dried up enough now. Come on. And she should be in by now. Yep, nope, there she is. Now she's in. We'll give them some food in a little bit. A little bit of water. Need a little bit of pollen up there. Okay, we'll give them pollen. Got to go in today and order me some more bulk pollen patty. Or not patty, but the bulk that I normally use. Comes in a 5-gallon bucket that I haven't ordered lately. You want to, Sam? Yeah. There we go. Do that today. And that's that one. This is, what do we got here? This is 03 unmarked queen. We're going to put down that we marked her now. And y'all have a fantastic, wonderful day. And this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Bye.